I actually threw around that hole over there and caught a good sized bass before over there. All right, I'm gonna tighten this up just a hair. Maybe too much of a hair there. So where do you like to go fishing?
Mainly like Thurman, mostly here though, and sometimes North Augusta, Riverside, or Riverside, yeah, or Savannah Rapids, but I haven't caught anything there.
That place is so hard to catch fish. I think I've caught 2 ever. What I've caught has been on this one right here, of out around this little section and around there. Oh, got one. There we go. There we go. Good sized bass. Got one. There we go, guys. Woo, buddy. It's a good one. Hey, hey there, bud. Could it be a pickerel? We might have ourselves a pickerel, guys. I am trying to hold him nice and tight because these guys got some sharp teeth on them. And I've had a couple of fish off of the ramp, just kind of throwing at the ramp area because of the drop-off section. If I was seeing stuff kind of hit the top, I'd been like, yeah, let's try top water. Got something? Keep reeling. But it was definitely a knock.
Just one little lead on it.
I said we can try one more cast around here and then we'll head on to that other dock. Well, you wanna try on that other dock over there?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's head on over. So what you want to do now is just kind of let it go down and then bring it up. And just let it sit, bring it up, let it sit, bring it up. Nice and easy. You want to try to get up right against the drop-off section where you'll find them. They'll be hanging up right against that wall. Got one?
Caught a weed fish.
Man, a weed fish. Them weed fishes, man, they like to go after everyone's bait. You gotta be careful with them weed fishes. You can kind of feel the edge of the ramp on my line. You probably got the better line for throwing around edges like that, because being the fluorocarbon, it doesn't shred on the rocks versus braid. It's like taking cloth to some rocks. Doesn't go well. There you go. Doesn't have to go too far. Let's see. Anybody out here? Oh. Oh. Little guy. Little bass. Hey there, little fella. How are you? Good to see you. You're just a little fella. He's got some plain greens and some whites on him. He's a little guy. I'm not gonna kiss him though. I want to do that one.
It looks so tiny.
Looks so small, buddy.
Feels so weird.
It feels so slimy.
Tell your other friends to come eat the bait.
Yeah, you see? There's a bait coming this way, buddy. You need to tell them to come get this bait, all right? So I'm gonna let you go. You're going back. You tell your buddies. And we're gonna throw this other one out there, okay, bud? So here you go. Adios. Well, there you go, that way. Your friends are that way.